In the middle of a dense forest lived a clever and quick-witted rabbit named Sherry. Sherry was the best detective in the jungle. Whether it was finding a lost item or solving a mysterious case, Sherry always uncovered the truth. One morning, while Sherry was drinking his carrot tea, Geeta the squirrel came into his burrow in a panic. Her tail was wagging vigorously. Sherry, someone has stolen all my walnuts, Geeta cried. Sherry's ears perked up. Geeta quickly explained, not only my things, but the belongings of many animals in the forest have gone missing. Walnuts, shiny stones, plums, and even old moles mushrooms. And look, I found this letter near my tree. Sherry carefully opened the letter. It read in squiggly letters, "Catch me if you can. I am the happiest thief in the jungle." Sherry thought deeply, then he set out with his trusty magnifying glass and notebook to all the places in the jungle where things had gone missing. Everywhere he went, he found some clue. Here a piece of fur, there a claw mark, and sometimes even a half-eaten carrot. Gradually, Sherry realized the thief's tastes were quite peculiar. He was not just stealing useful things, but also the ones that made others happy. Geeta's walnuts, Robin the bird's favorite plums, and Taylor the turtle's shiny buttons. Following all the clues, Sherry finally reached a corner of the jungle where a large burrow was hidden behind dense bushes. Sherry peeked inside. There sat a large rabbit named Jitu, happily tossing a shiny walnuts in the air. Sherry said, "Oh, so you are the one. You got caught inside your own burrow." Jitu was startled. His ears perked up. He spoke casually but with a hint of nervousness. "You found me because stealing all this gives me joy. It feels so good to have all these things. It's like I have created my own treasure." Sherry replied gently, "There's no joy in stealing because it hurts others. You can find real happiness by doing good." Jitu thought for a moment, then smiled. Over the next few days, Sherry and Jitu cleaned up all the stolen items and prepared for the forest fair. They decorated a large field with colorful leaves and flowers. When the day of the fair arrived, all the animals of the forest came. Robin chirped happily when he found his plums, and Taylor the turtle danced with joy after seeing his shiny buttons. Jitu was delighted to see the smiles on everyone's faces. He felt a strange warmth in his heart and learned that true happiness lies not in stealing but in helping others.